Welcome back. So this is going to be round 2 for trying to record this video. I just spent 20 minutes recording this same video I'm making right now, got it all done, and realized that something happened with the recording screen and it didn't record anything. So I'm going to try and go over this time a little bit faster. We're green 4 days this week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I had 4 green days. I'm going to go over yesterday's trades and today's trades. So right now I have the screen up from yesterday. It's been Apple all week. Apple, Apple, Apple. That's what I've been doing good on. And I had one trade. No, I had 2 trades yesterday. I had one that is recorded, and then I did a quick trade for like $1 or $2 profit, just to get me over $25. So that was my P&L yesterday. I made $25.50 around there. So I'll go through the trade. I'm just gonna fast forward right to the trade. This is the open yesterday. Have a few lines set. Yesterday's closing price, yesterday's high, pre-market high. And this 114.09 is, I want to say, yesterday's high, because I think yesterday's close was down here somewhere. So this thing ends up breaking that level. And ripping up. So much momentum. We're above all the moving averages. We're above everything. So my idea, I don't know if I call it a strategy or an idea, is to get in on a pullback on one of these candles for a push up or some momentum upward. And I end up going for the 116.25, just outside the money. They're a little cheaper than the 115s. For 6 contracts at 91. So $540. And I got filled. I don't know if I got filled at 90. I think I probably got filled around 90. So $540. I know because my P&L was at 0 when my market value was at 540. So I got filled at 90. I could have sold here. I should have hit the sell, $24. Don't know why I didn't. Because for some reason I have this $25 amount in my head. So should have sold there, but I didn't. End up riding it through consolidation. Now in my head, my exit is going to be below that key level 114.09 or below VWAP. I take a pretty big hit because right now at 114.34 where the price is at, I'm negative $50. So if it did drop that low, I'd probably lose over $100. But now I'm stuck in it now. I feel like I just have to kind of hold and hope at this point. But we do end up, so this is all consolidation, just moving sideways. It's not even coming close to VWAP, so I'm not too worried. but we do end up getting a break of the 9MA, and that's some, that's good to see. And then a push up, but I'm break even right here, 114.65 or whatever it was. So I just want to get out of this trade. I'm kind of aggravated at this point. I've been holding this thing for, I don't know, 9:35, 45, 50, about 15 minutes, which is way longer than, like 5 minutes tops. I want to be in a trade because I'm scalping. It's the best strategy for me because for my emotions, you got to find the best strategy that works for your emotions. So for me, scalping's the best strategy because you get in and you get out fast. It's in and out as fast as possible, whether it be 2 seconds or the longest I want to be is 5 minutes. But then you come to this, where I'm 15 minutes into this trade, and I'm still negative. The value of these contracts are not moving. Just need more of a push up. And I end up getting that. So this is good enough for me. Right around 114.80, I end up getting out. I mean, it does push up more and I could have made more money, but because I was negative $60 to be up 22 and the close green is a good thing. I end up taking, ends up pushing up higher, and it ends up actually breaking over yesterday's high. So I could have made hundreds of dollars on this trade probably. So 24.74 for yesterday. I ended up making another dollar on a one contract. On the month, 125.15. That was for last month. So that's September, 125.15. Closing the month profitable. Not a lot of profit, but profit. I actually did really good on Apple last month, but I had a couple shit trades on SPY. But options could be really good or really bad. I just want to shout out a fellow YouTuber that actually got me into trading options, the Bulls and the Bears. If it wasn't for me watching his videos, I wouldn't have even transferred over to trading options. I'd still be trading penny stocks, which was going really bad for me because they're just too volatile for me. This is a good volatility with these blue chip stocks, and to be able to trade them with a small account is awesome. I mean, you can still lose a lot of money, but I think they're a lot easier to trade than the penny stocks. So go check out his channel. He does the same thing as me, but he's just trading with a fully funded account. So bigger money, making bigger profits. So he has a pretty good channel. So that's it for yesterday's trade. Okay. So as for today's trade, today I recorded 2 trades. So yet again, I'm watching this thing when the market opened. I'm already recording, and I have yesterday's closing price is the bottom line on the 5 minute, and this is yesterday's high. So, and this is the gap, pre-market gap that gapped up and then continued up to here, and then we opened right here. So don't want to do anything out of the open. Look at this candle, 1 minute candle. All right. So we have a lot of selling. A lot of people bought pre-market, bought yesterday at the high, and now they're selling for a profit. So there's a lot of selling going on. Lot of selling. Look at this 5-minute candle. It's like a big red engulfing candle. So in my head, there's 3 main areas to look at. And they're more on the 5-minute. And they're these 3 lines right here. Yesterday, because we're below all the moving averages, except the 200. So you got yesterday's high, if it was to reverse and break above that and hold for calls. The 200 MA, either a bounce off or a breakthrough, or a bounce off or a breakthrough yesterday's closing price. Those are kind of the areas I was looking at. I'm just going to fast forward because it does continue to sell off. 2 red big 5-minute engulfing candles. So, from this consolidation, I put an order in right here because I think it's going to pop up. I missed the fill and I ended up canceling the order. Good thing I did because it would have went against me. And another thing that I noticed, I'm trading October 9th freaking expiration date. Stupid me, the whole day. Both trades, I'm trading October 9th. Didn't even notice it. I always trade the closest expiration because with a small account, they move the most and they're the cheapest. But like a dummy, I don't even know how it got on October 9th. It usually opens and it's automatically set to the closest expiration. But maybe I clicked October 9th and didn't even realize it. So the whole day, kind of pissed because I think I could have made more money and bought more contracts because these are cheaper and move more than these. Because I'm not holding. I'm not holding overnight. I'm not holding for more than hopefully 5 minutes. So these are the right expirations to go with. But I didn't notice the whole time until I was actually making this video before. So I canceled that. Good thing I did because it does end up going lower. More consolidation. And right here. So I wanted to wait for it to go lower. But this candle opened and barely formed a wick. There's like no bottoming tail on this candle. So I'm like, alright, this is the move up. This is going to break. This is going to break over the 9 MA. This is going to be it. This is going to be my call option. Because this thing is in bearish context. Stupid for me to even think about buying calls. But for this big run down, there's got to be a turnaround somewhere. And this is it. So I want to ride this thing. Hopefully the next candles, I want to hold through this whole candle. So we got another 15 seconds. And if the next candle opens green and above where this candle closed, if this thing could ride up to the VWAP, here's the next candle, and it didn't open how I wanted it to. But it is pushing above the 9 moving average. So all that selling, now you're getting the buying. And people covering. You're getting the shorts who are covering their position now. Because maybe they bought down here and it turned on them. I mean, they sold down here and now it turned on them. Now they got to buy. Or they're holding. Who knows? But anyways, the 9 moving average is starting to curl a little bit. But we break over that. I'm like, can I hold through this candle now? 15 more seconds. Hopefully the next candle opens above the 9 moving average. I'm like, alright, let me get my order ready to sell. Because this isn't stock, so there's a confirmation window you got to go through. So I don't know why I don't have that up yet. So I should have had this window up and ready. So I clicked the sell. I should have got filled and been up $44, but for some stupid reason, Webull's not filling me right away on a market order with a lot of volume and a lot of open interest. So I ended up getting a bad fill on that. I should have tried selling limit, but I don't do that. I just want to get in and get out. Like I said, I'm scalping. I should buy market and sell market. But it's hard to buy market with options. It doesn't let me buy market. So $35.28, $25 yesterday. Monday and Tuesday I was up 55 total. Yesterday I was up 25. So that's up 80. No, I'm sorry, I have that wrong. So this thing does end up bouncing off a VWAP, just like I thought it was going to do. So I'm thinking, you know what? I'm done getting calls. Let me do a put. I still have $101, I think, in settled funds. So I'm just waiting, looking at what options I can get into. Here I can get into the 108.75. There's not any volume on it, but that was my fill area right underneath I missed it. I didn't get filled. The price went to 51. I tried buying at 50. And I didn't want it to curl on me, so I canceled the order. But right underneath the 9 MA is where I wanted to get in. So let's try this again. As long as it doesn't break over that. I could buy 2 contracts at 50. I can't go any higher. So I'm waiting to see what this candle does. It's going to close in like 10 seconds. So the ask is 50. I have my limit price at 51. So I got hit with a good faith violation because I was using more than settled funds that I had available. So I changed it to 50. And I get in there at 50. Because that candle opened red. Didn't push above the 9 moving average. So looking for another quick couple dollars. 2 contracts. That's it. Ends up bouncing off the 9 moving average. And I sold there. So $38.91 on the day. Well, it's $40 minus the fees. So I think the 55. So it's 55 for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. $38.91 for today. And then on the week, Monday to Thursday, I'm up 94.43 for the week. I still have one more day left, so I need about $6 to end the week over 100. And there's the month. So I closed I closed September out in the green, 125.95. So that was for September. So I ended the month green. It's not a lot, but I still ended the month green, which is a good sign. Alright, so that's that. And these October 2nd strike prices were way cheaper. I was looking before, but whatever. So now my account's at 713.38. Oh, and here's yesterday's close, because I did have that one more trade. So I ended up hitting my daily goal, 25.54. So I think I hit my daily goal 3 days this week so far. Monday was the only day I didn't. Yeah, custom, let's see. So Monday was 11.73. Oh, Tuesday, neither Tuesday, 18.25. Just yesterday and today. But I've been green 4 days. So if I'm green tomorrow, then I'm green the whole week. So that's going to be it for today. I plan on trading tomorrow. If I can't get to making a video, I'll try to make a video over the weekend. Bare minimum by Monday, I would do a recap. But I should be able to squeeze out a video tomorrow. So that's going to be it. Hope everyone has a good rest of the day, good trading, and I'll see you guys later.